Sa ating lahat. Ayan. First of all, thank you kay God kasi ini ka na tayo chance ang adatay amin itatang maka-attend ka dito yung event. Amin bisita, thank you ni developer natin ni Bastana Properties and Development Corporations, pati dagiti agent nga da dito Ken kastamet, thank you mat ni Engineer Hidalgo ta karayon na tamet nga nangaramid ka detoy since idi ununana nging nga nalpas ka thank you mat ti support na nga nangaramid ka dito nga project nang i-build dito nga proyekto ditoy agyaman ti kinaanos na imay nang supervise imay nang kitkita kan agyaman mo kanimang kauray na dadumay so kanayon ko nga kulitan idi no ag follow up kakasyay ken nandami nga nakulitan kanya oray mamin ano ak nga tumawag or something nagigiti moment idi nga habang papataktaran dito nga proyekto. Thanks God tata dito ti bunga amin ti sacrifices at tayang amin amin tayong adat ditoy sacrifices tayo kung nakmet lang yan at the same time success nga yung sacrifice ti Maysa sacrifice tayo amin tapos success ti Maysa, success tayo met amin kasi at dati nga nagtitinulong awan ti DJ ngay pinabayaan kasi at least di mayat nga cooperation tayo na buo habang at aramidan tayo dito nga project. Thank you so much ti Bastana naipatayo tayo dito. Siguro at adunto pa'y siguro nga projects sumarsaro no kadagiti umay nga aldaw or next years pa. Thank you Ma'am Sir Ed, thank you Ma'am G, thank you Ma'am Ann, Ma'am Bibs, Engineer Donnie, Engineer Hidalgo, and kaya mami na, hindi kayo malagana na Thank you so much.
Okay mga kaibigan, so Bastana Properties and Development Corp, located at 2nd floor Jasmine Lodge Building, National Highway, Catbangen, City of San Fernando, La Union, certificate of house completion and property formal turnover. We are pleasured to formally turn over to you Ernesto and Maribel Mignano, your complete and newly constructed house and its complete keys located at Barangay Sigilla, City of San Fernando, La Union, Philippines. It is agreed upon the owner, Mr. and Mrs. Mignano, and hereby subjected to 180 calendar day warranty from the date of turnover or move into newly constructed house. During this 20th day of February 2021 at San Fernando City, La Union, Philippines, and signed by a branch manager, La Union, Cherry Ann A. Dumo. We heard be accepted by the property in good and excellent condition together with the complete set of house keys. We understand that all real estate taxes, bills, and monthly dues, and all expenses pertaining to the property, if any, are from signing, thereof shall be shouldered by us. And this certificate is given to Mr. and Mrs. Ernesto and Maribel Mignano. Palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan.
Okay, picture po ulit.
Yehey! Palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan! That's nice.